Hello, today we will guide you through how to add image in Google Colab. If you want to work with an image inside a Colab notebook, the process is quick and straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll upload an image directly into the Colab file area so it can be used in your notebook session. To begin, open the Welcome to Colab page in your browser. This is the main Google Colab workspace where you can create and run notebook cells. Once the page has loaded, take a moment to look at the layout. The notebook appears in the center, and several tools are available around it to help you manage files and code. Next, move to the left side navigation panel and click on the folder icon. This opens the file browser for your current Colab session. The folder panel is important because it shows the files that are currently available in the environment. If you've never uploaded anything before, this area may look fairly empty, and that's completely normal. After opening the file panel, click on the upload icon. This is the option that lets you bring files from your computer into the Colab session. When you select it, a file browsing window will open on your device. In that file browser, locate the sample picture you want to add. Browse through your folders until you find the correct image file. It's a good idea to double-check the file before selecting it, especially if you're working with several images that have similar names. Once you find the image you want, select it so Colab knows which file to import. Then, click Upload in the file selection window to confirm your choice. Colab will begin transferring the image from your computer into the session storage. Depending on the image size and your connection speed, this may take a moment, but usually it completes very quickly. Once the upload finishes, the image should appear in the file list on the left side. That confirms it has been added successfully and is now available for use in your notebook. From there, you can reference the file in your code, open it, or use it for image processing tasks. One helpful thing to remember is that files uploaded this way are typically tied to the current Colab session. If the session restarts, you may need to upload the image again. So if you're planning to keep working on the same file later, it's worth keeping that in mind. That's it. You've successfully added an image in Google Colab.